Jai Hind friends. So as IQRA is known to be the most supportive institution in India for IAS aspirants, so once again IQRA is giving a gift from her side, that is UPSC crash course for 2022. Crash courses have their own importance, and the first importance is to maintain your discipline, so that according to the schedule of the crash course, you can schedule the final revision for this examination. This is the first important thing of crash course. It maintains your discipline. Along with the schedule of the crash course, you also set your revision, final revision for the prelims examination. Second important aspect of crash course is that teacher will tell you, the different teachers for different subjects will tell you the approach how to handle the question paper. That is more important, because many people regularly fail in prelims, and that is not because of the shortage of labor by them, that is because they lack certain things for this examination. So these two things are the essential part of crash course. Now 10th March, IQRA is going to start the crash course from 10th March. Very friendly approach of this crash course. 10th March, fees is 5,000, which is again very nominal. But if you take the admission till 15th February, you will get some other discount also. That is, the fees will be 3,000. Total crash course 5,000. But if you take the admission till 15th February, it will be 3,000. Again, the teachers, S.K. Jha sir for economy, you already know him for past 3 years. Then Siddharth sir and Rabbani sir for geography. Both the teachers are known to you. Mayank sir is a frequent visitor on the IQRA's platform, will handle current affairs. Porya sir, a superstar for science and technology. And then Polity, Sanjay Singh and Irshad Ahmed. Sanjay Singh sir has a very good command and a very good experience of past 15 years in this field. So Sanjay Singh sir and Mr. Irshad. And then history by Ojha. So all these people will help you to maintain your discipline, and they will also help you to understand the approach. Hope it will be very feasible and good for you, and you will go for it. Along with this crash course, in this 3,000 only, you have a gift also, one more gift, the 12 test series. So apart from crash course, you will have a special gift of 12 test series. Now, the importance I said of this course is to see discipline and approach. So those who are appearing in 2022, for them it is must. But those who are planning to appear, they can join it. Those who are appearing, for them it is must. Those who are planning, 23, 24, all those who are planning, this will be very good for them. It will be very helpful to them to understand how prelims paper is set, how questions are framed, how to handle prelims question paper, etc., etc. So that will be very good for the future aspirants. Jai Hind.